Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. Last 2 Fridays I have started giving small tips. We started with, I think, offering the coconut for Mahalakshmi ji, and then we did something with Lakshmi Vishnu. I still remember how the Varahi Amman had come, and followed by which 2-3 people had asked me if they can also get the statues, the blessings of Varahi Mata. So now coming to today, I felt we have been doing with Lakshmi ji, with Varahi Amman, and with we did even with some other goddess also in the first week. Today, why not do Kuber Lakshmi, because Kubera is the one who saves the money, because Lakshmi gives but Kubera is for saving. Now I feel we are doing a lot of tips, so a lot of money is coming in our lives. So why not start saving some money out of it? So today, take some green moong dal, the hara moong which we say, boil that specifically for Kuber Bhagwan and for Mahalakshmi ji. What you can do is cut the coconut into 2 halves, and inside the coconut keep one laddu. Bundi laddu will be the best. That will be more like an offering for the Lakshmi Vishnu, the coconut and the laddu, and the moong will be for Kuber Bhagwan. And today what you can do is take a lamp and put 5 wicks inside the one lamp only. Take a nice big clay lamp. Clay lamp would be best, and put 5 wicks inside that, and keep a separate lamp again a bigger lamp, and keep 6 wicks. So we will be combining Kuber Bhagwan and Lakshmi Mata here. So 5 wicks and 6 wicks, and put a small pinch of kumkum inside the lamp, and add ghee in both the lamps. A small pinch of kumkum for both, and then if you can, chant the Kuber mantra 108 times and Mahalakshmi mantra 108 times. Believe me when I am telling you all to do this, I know it takes time, but the energies and the results are multiple. If you go online, you will find Om Yakshaya Kuberaya, the Kuber mantra. It starts as Om Yakshaya Kuberaya Vaishravanaya Dhanadhanyadipataye Dhanadhanya Samriddhim Me Dehi Dapaya Swaha. That is how it is, but you can just type Om Yakshaya, Yakshay. So that you can do 108 times, and Lakshmi mantra 108 times. Om Mahalakshmi Namaha will also do, and I'm sure a lot of abundance and blessings is going to come in your lives. So let's see what card is coming for you all today. Ayyappan God has come, but I felt today I should pull one more card also, so I'm pulling another one card also. But before I take out the other card and do the reading, let's see what Ayyappan Bhagwan has to say today for you all. So when Ayyappan comes, basically he says that you will have everything that you desire, because he is the god of spiritual growth. So spiritually you're going to grow, education wise you're going to grow, you're going to flourish in your business. Whatever you desire, you're going to flourish. So maybe that is why Kuber Bhagwan has also come, that finances are going to be good, and you will be able to save money, and you will be able to have a lot of abundance in your life. But I had already kept one card separate. Okay, there comes Murugan. Lord Murugan, Lord Kartikeya comes when the reading says that time to start keeping some money aside for your future. So how beautifully the reading came in the starting, and here they have come. Since Lord Murugan has come today, he has given you a heads up that now the time has come where your savings will start beginning, though it will be less, but beginning somewhere, the beginning will start. So I hope you all are blessed with loads of abundance. Mahalakshmi ji, Kuber Bhagwan, Vishnu ji bless you with all the happiness, and all the finances start flowing in your life the way the gods and the goddesses are promising. And today, if possible, wear the color yellow. Have a beautiful and a Lakshmi blessed day ahead.